Heroes are finally here in Clash Royale, and in this video, we're going to be going over how you can get heroes here in Clash Royale. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But there's two main ways that you can go ahead and do this. The first and most obvious way to get yourself your first hero is by obviously getting the Pass Royale. If you do get the Pass Royale, you're going to immediately get the Mini P.E.K.K.A hero. That being said, you can actually go ahead and get these a different way. And what you're going to want to do to actually check that is go to any of the hero cards and essentially select upgrade on it, and then go ahead and select the hero variant of it. And if you select the little hero shard here, it's going to tell you that in order to get hero cards, you're going to need to collect hero fragments in order to get them. Now you can do this by opening up hero boxes, and eventually after you get enough hero fragments, you will get the exact hero summoner. From here, all you have to do is select your hero card and drag it into this third slot right here, and that's going to be your hero card, and it's going to activate the same way that an Evo activates, and you'll be able to now use that hero card. It really is as simple as that. I'm going to be working on a full guide breaking down the fastest way to get hero shards for free, so stay tuned for that. But before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.